半天 day。
半天 day 为什么上半天？
因为所以课学到一点，我老是可以不上的。
为什么？
那我也不知道啊。
Do you hear the birds? 去哪儿啊？
去吃饭。
吃啥？
吃 cake。And
We didn't take
the
subway.
for a long time.
You look like Little Red Riding Hood. Where's the big bad wolf?
这儿的大魔王。这是我的 kindergarten.
Do you miss kindergarten?
No.
Why not?
作业比现在。I'm gonna hide my stick over here. When I come back, then I'm gonna take
Let's
it.
see if the stick will... Well, no, we're gonna take a taxi back. Oh, now you have to pay for your ticket. Do you want to do English or Chinese?
Chinese.
Okay, so go to... Which one is it? Bay Arlu. Can you find Bay Arlu on the blue line? Yeah, man. Blue line. Click on the blue line to make it bigger. Okay, now find Bay Arlu. 对，然后2张，然后扫码支付，那你扫呗。
Kids below 130 centimeters can ride the subway for free. So since Alia is now 134 centimeters, it was the first time that we had to buy her ticket and she had to scan her own ticket.
I had to kick you through. Why did you stop?
I'm scared it's gonna close.
It won't close. Then we're gonna go in the wrong direction. We're not going to Changqingcheng. We're going to Tieshi Guangchang. And then go to the... No, wait a second, we're not. We're just going... Oh, yeah, no, we're going to Bay Arlu. There's no transfer, I forgot. When is the last time we took the subway? Can you remember? Probably. Let's try again, yeah? Don't be scared. It won't close until you go through. Can you do it? Oh, no, you put it in. Put it in. Alia, put it in. Put it in, we're done. No, in.
Why?
Put it in.
Why?
Put it in. Push, go.
Where's my card?
It's not your card. It's a one-way ticket.
Mama, where's my card?
It's a one-way ticket. 吃啥呢？
意大利面。
I recently read on the news that 7 Ikea stores across China will be closing, and I was really nervous that Shenyang was going to be one of them, but they are not. And I was really relieved because Ikea is one of my favorite places to go. I found some old footage from a previous trip to Ikea a couple years ago, and I decided to add them to this video.
That's my new baby. I adopted a new baby, Alia. Do we look alike? Shh, Bobber. Shh. 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 Hey, where's my house? Hey, where's my Viscavors? They are taking beautiful pictures. Oh, there's my Viscavors over there. Hey, we have this tree. We have one tree.
And we have this one.
Ooh. I love this. Santa's lost.
Oh my goodness.
I also like this one. The round little table. Here's my kitchen.
This looks good.
This is my dream kitchen.
He's gonna sit here.
Yeah, so you can sit there and do your homework while Mama's washing dishes, making fancy coffee, cooking food. That's a computer. Isn't that lovely? Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
Can someone buy me this kitchen, please? Yeah? I would cook every second of the day if I had a kitchen like this. What is in here? Ooh. Narna. Wow, what is this one? That drawer?
I think this is
So organized. Oof. Mama's feeling all the feels. The monkey's taking a bath in my beautiful sink. My beautiful porcelain sink and my golden tap. Psst. Envision myself in the kitchen. I'm washing dishes in my beautiful kitchen. Let's cook some food. And my beautiful, don't cook the monkey.
Look at this tummy. What did you
That's
eat, my
so
monkey?
fancy. Let's get out of here because my heart is breaking
Boo boo.
for this kitchen. Bye, kitchen. See you in another life.
See you 1,000 years.
This is a whole house. The kitchen, the kids' bed, the mummy's bed, this part, the sofa, and I'm pretty sure there is a bathroom as well. That's a whole house. Oh, who's lost? You want this pillow? It's 199 yuan. That's expensive. I wouldn't put your face in that. You don't know how many people put their stinky heads on that pillow. What are you doing, girl? You want a mattress cover? No, that's just a cover, so if you pee the bed, it won't go on the mattress. Yeah, that's like we have.
Big one.
That's your closet.
Oh, look, that's a big one.
Ooh.
Let's climb it. I find I can dry it yet. Where?
I should have bought you this prison bed.
Ah.
Wait, do you hear that? That's Christmas music. Do you hear it?
Hear this in Christmas. Ooh.
That's a Christmas song. Wow, this whole setup is nice.
So good. I can make.
Huh? Look at your makeup
How
here.
to do like this?
Yeah.
Or I put this one. And then I have to do this. And it's just like this.
Sis, man. Is that a used one? Or is it a clean one?
I think it's a
Okay, I hope so.
so good. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Let me see your makeup. Hello, let me see you. 这么漂亮啊。
这个没有管 she just give me one.
Wow. So brave, girl. You go find your guar by yourself?
Not he, she.
Oh, it was a she. I thought it was a he. Oops. I don't want to. I'm not gonna look at them because I don't want to know. I don't know why. Wow, it's just. Oh, that's so deep. Ooh. Let's make a new path, yeah? Hello. Yeah? Is that cold or what? Whee. Oh, chin! That was deep. I just fell. Oh, shit. Where's the car? Where's the car? Baby, be very careful here. Slowly, slowly. Give me your show. There. Yeah, we're almost. Hey, is that our car? Maybe? Is it this guy? No? Oh shit. Is it? Yeah, it's this guy. Wow. It says, I like you, snow.
So, is it as our rewrite?
No, we didn't write that.
So let's make it.
No, don't touch someone else's car. Don't touch the car. Okay, do we make it?
Yeah. Let's see that fat snowman is still there.
Oh yeah, he should still be there. I am really shocked with the amount of snow that fell and we didn't even realize it. Because we were just watching Harry Potter. Let me see. Wow, I love snow. That end looks a little funky, yeah? It looks like an I and a V. Fix it. Yeah. Okay, that looks better. All right, I love snow. Okay. Let's see that big snowman over there. That's a huge one, yeah? That guy. Wow, look at his necklace. He's got a little nosy.
I'll take one ball.
No, leave his balls. I mean, his necklace.
And this one.
Yeah, okay.
Wow.
What happened to your earmuff? Is that an earmuff or a cheek muff?
It's an earmuff.
Oh no! God, let's get it. You have a cheek muff.
I don't have a cheek muff.
You should see your cheek muff.
I don't have a cheek.
Actually, that's a good product. Cheek muffs, yeah? To keep your cheeks warm. Where are you, Heiser?
Here.
Look at your cheek muff. What happened to me? I'm so cold. I don't have a cheek muff or an ear muff. So cold. Hey, look. Oh, I'm really, I mean, I just really didn't know it snowed this much. We've been inside. Oh, look at the kitty. Actually, wait a second. We were out. Oh, yeah. On Thursday, you were at the clinic and it was just snowing a little bit. Is your hand frozen?
Yeah.
Because you're carrying a snowball.
No, it's
Like that. Okay. So on Thursday, it started snowing. But, I mean, it was just okay. And then yesterday, it obviously... No, you know what? I think the heavy snowfall was last night. Because I just remembered, yesterday, the outside in the garden was not this... It was not that snowy. So it must have been... Where are you? It must have been during last night. Whoa. I think it's like minus 26 tonight or 27. Hey? Meow meow?
I'm scared.
Meow?
That's it.
Meow?
That was like
Come,
me.
kitty. What happened? Oh my gosh. Come here. Come. What happened to you? Let's see. Huh? Toddler? Oh no. Oh my goodness. What do we do? Oh, poor kitty
If you
cat.
made it this far into the video, thank you for watching. And yeah, I guess we are back. So stay tuned for more videos soon. Bye.